नायब वज़ीर आला मल्लू भट्टी विक्रमार्का ने आज सेक्रेटेरिएट में मीडिया से खिताब किया। अपनी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के दौरान उन्होंने कई अहम मसाइल पर बात की, जिनमें समाजी व इक़्तिसादी ज़ात-पात की मरदमशुमारी, दीगर पसमानदा तबक़ात, OBCs के लिए रिजर्वेशन, राहुल गांधी और मल्लिकार्जुन खरगे से होने वाली मुलाकातें और BJP के रियासती सदर रामचंद्र राव पर तनकीद शामिल थी।
And all that, I know how to answer it. We'll do that. But still I'll ask him, I'll stand by that. Still I'll ask him whether he been there, whether he has written a letter or not, or whether he has threatened the VC, the then VC to take an action against Rohit Vemla and all that. It's a fact, everyone knows about it. And today also I read somewhere, Ramchandra is talking about the OBC reservation. You promise, you do it. We promise as a party, as the government, we pass the resolution, pass the bill also. And we are asking the government of India to follow the procedure to pass the act in the parliament. The state-center relation, not the political parties. You know, as and whenever there is an interest comes to the weaker sections, like particularly backward classes,